How to create a custom newsletter pop-up on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create a custom pop-up for a newsletter into your Squarespace website. So the process is going to be very easy. We're going to head over to squarespace.com, sign in for an account and head over the account dashboard. Once we have did that, we're going to select the website that we want to launch the newsletter campaign for. I'm going to click on go to website just like that. And we are going to be on this page. Now what we're going to do is to head over the, normally it was on the email campaigns, but we're not going to have it right away, but we are going to head over the newsletter. So right here, I don't know if it is going to be contain this on the email, but I think that we're not going to have it right there. It has been named marketing on the previous version of the set 7.1 Squarespace menu. But here, as you can see, it is going to be changing, so it doesn't matter a lot. We're going to head over a specific page, or we can go ahead and search for it by clicking on the search and type in pop here. Pop, we are going to find promotional pop-up. Click on it. You're going to activate it, display the pop-up just like that. And here you can go ahead and change the layout. So I'm going to be here. So you can go ahead and click on stay or leave to change this layout. You can have the action. As you can see, it is going to be also a leaving for the page. You can choose change the content, click on display and timing to set up the display of it. And finally, the style, we can go ahead and have it into a page that is specific right there. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.